dollars, I like diamonds, I like stunning, I like shining, I like $1 million deals. Where's my pen?
Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Fenty XO coming to you with another video. And today, if you haven't noticed by all the bejeweled and the color on my face, I am doing a festival inspired makeup look. Clearly, if you want to get the deets on this look right here, stay tuned. Okay, so first off, we're going straight to the brows. I already did my foundation off camera, and I'm just going to use my liquid lipstick in the color Dr. M from ColourPop to do the outer ends of my eyebrows. And the front portion of the brows, I'm just going to use the color Viper from ColourPop. And to blend the colors together, I'm going to go back into Dr. M. And I went off camera to clean them up, and now this is how they look. Aren't they pretty? So now I'm going to go into my Morphe 35B palette and take that color right there and put that as my transitioning shade. And for my outer lid corner, I'm going to take that nice greenish color. It's like a greenish teal. It matches the Dr. M color, so that's why I went for it. And I'm just going to place that on the outer edge of my lid. I'm using a patting motion for this part. And now I'm going to cut my crease with my NYX Jumbo pencil in the color Milk. I know it's kind of weird to cut my crease with that. But then I'm going to set it with those two colors right there. And towards the middle of that area, I'm just going to put down the pink. I'm going to pack on some pink right there because I felt like it needed some color, some oomph. Then taking the NYX crystal liners in the color Silver, I'm putting that as my adhesive for my glitter. I know it's kind of weird. I could have just used the NYX Mix and Medium, but I didn't. I used this. And now I'm just packing on some silver glitter on top of that area. Now I'm just going to go in with some black liners because why not? Now I'm going to work on the bottom lash line, and I'm just taking that pink that I used earlier and I'm putting it on the outer ends of my lower lash line. And I'm just packing on some of that green on there as well. But then I really didn't like it, so I went over that with some white. So yeah, I put my lashes on off camera and it's looking nice. These are from Your Lash Bar. Now for blush, I'm going to use those two colors just to add some nice vibrant pink to my cheeks. And now for the lips, of course I'm going to go in with the Dr. M because why not? It just makes sense at this point. And this of course is from ColourPop, like I said earlier. Now I'm going in with Au Revoir from ColourPop. It's their Luster Duster, and I'm just highlighting my face with it. Now using some skin adhesive, I'm just adding in some little jewels on my face, preferably some diamonds. And I'm also going to go in with my NYX in medium, and I'm just going to pat that down so that I can lay down some glitter on that outer corner. And now for my collarbone and all that good stuff, I'm just going in with that pink blush, well, that pink eyeshadow that I used as blush earlier, and I'm just going to put that on my collarbones, and I'm also going to put that on my shoulder. And on top of that, I'm going to put down some Luster Duster glitter all over my body because I have to shine. And that is it for the look. So yeah, this is the finished look. How do you guys like it? Oh, I love the shoulders. The shoulders glowing. The shoulders glowing. Everything about this look is just so like live and vibrant and happy and exciting, and that's exactly what the festival is all about. Like, it's all about being extra and having fun and being free. Anyway, if you like what you saw, please give me a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Also hit that subscribe button. It's going to be in this corner, possibly, maybe that one. Who knows? Who knows? But anyways, thank you so much for tuning into another video, and I'll see you next time. Bye, and have fun at Coachella. Make sure you drink water. Bye. Mwah.